Hello, language lovers. Welcome back to English with KD7. I'm here to make your English learning journey simple, practical, and highly effective. So let's start practicing together right now. Friends, in this video, I'm going to share a complete practical roadmap to kickstart your English speaking journey from absolute scratch. I have broken this strategy down into several distinct phases, and even every single one of them plays a virtual role in your growth. Make sure to stay tuned until the very end so that you can absorb the entire process perfectly and apply it to your daily routine. So let's start diving right in. The initial phase is to completely stop focusing excessively on formal grammar rules. Let's look closely at what actually happens when you obsess over textbooks. Your mind gets completely overwhelmed, confused, and stuck. You become hyper conscious of every single small error, constantly worrying about how people are judging you or if your sentence structure is technically flawless. There is absolutely no rule written anywhere starting that you must master perfect grammar before you can start speaking a new language. You can absolutely begin your journey uh, with zero advanced grammar training. Yes, that's true. Even I have also started. Yes, you will make errors, you will fumble, but that is a completely natural part of the human learning process. When I started, I made countless blunders too. Mistakes are not a sign of failure. They can and they are clear proof that your brain is actively processing a brand new skill. Over time, as you keep speaking, your language structure will naturally improve on its own. So, give yourself permission to speak imperfectly and embrace the errors. The next crucial phase is to switch your daily environmentally entirely to English. Start consuming all your media, whether it is movies, web series, educational podcast, or casual comedy videos, strictly in this language. Now, let me clarify something highly important here because people often raise objections. I meet individuals who ask me, why are you pushing English so much? You should be proud of your native roots. Let me tell you from the bottom of my heart, I'm immensely proud of my heritage and my native language. However, mastering English is the absolute need of the modern era. In today's highly competitive world, if you lack professional communication skills, you face massive obstacles. It becomes incredibly difficult to clear job interviews, grab great opportunities, or sustain position in a top company. We must think naturally and move ahead with the times. When you surround your daily life with the English content, your mind slowly becomes accustomed to the natural sound patterns. Even if it feels extremely challenging in the beginning, your brain is incredibly smart. If you keep exposing it to the same language respectively and repeatedly, it will automatically start decoding the meaning of the subsequent phases is to actively train your mind to think directly in English. I completely understand that this feels tricky and demands a lot of mental effort, and you are just starting out. But look at the alternative. If you do not think in English, your brain is forced to constantly translate every word from your native language. This initial translation is a massive time consuming process that completely kills your natural flow and fluency. Imagine having a conversation where you take a awkwardness silence before every single response just to translate your thoughts. It feels uncomfortable for you and the person listening. I regularly talk to beginner on language learning applications like CV, and many of them share the exact same pain. Yes, it's true. They tell me people do not want to chat with me because I take too long to reply. Everyone is looking for an advanced speaker. When I look deeper into their practice habits, the root cause is always a literal translation. You must be break this habit. Even if you express your thoughts incorrectly or use broken words, deliver your message directly. By doing this consistently, your mind develops a natural reflex and the agitation completely disappears. Speak naturally, avoid putting immense pressure on yourself, and let the conversation flow about fear of embarrassment. Now we are arrived at the most critical phase of all, active practice. Let me explain this with a very practical example that everyone can relate to. Imagine someone who wants to learn how to swim. They spend hours watching instructional videos online, reading books about swimming techniques, and studying the science of floating. If that person jumps into deep water for the very first time, will they magically start swimming just because they consumed all that theory? Absolutely not. To learn how to swim, you physically have to get into the water, splash around, face the friction, and move your arms and legs. This is the practical thing. The exact same principle applies to your fluency. If you spend all your time reading books and listening to others, but never open your mouth to practice, everything becomes a complete waste of time. You will end up with tons of theoretical knowledge but zero practical confidence. Do not let fear hold you back. True growth takes time, the patience, and a positive mindset. I know for a fact that you have the hidden capability, the talent must be kind of, and the absolute potential to master this skill. If you commit to these daily habits and practice with honesty, absolutely nobody can stop you from becoming an extraordinary speaker. I am going to warm up today's video here to be a completely you honest with you. My hand is actually aching right now because I am holding my mobile phone to record this video. I don't have a dedicated studio space or quiet setup at home, so I always walk outside into the nature to shoot these videos for you. But despite the struggles, I keep recording because I am fully dedicated to refining my own communication skills with you and helping you grow. You must always be ready to put in hard work to achieve our dreams. If you felt inspired today, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more continuous support. Keep practicing, believe in your journey, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay dedicated, and goodbye. And thank you very much for the watching this video. Thank you.